Nadeem again, Nadeem Salam again. Right, that was where I've come from. Down the stairs, and there we are. Watch this. Watch this, viewers. Sorry about the Western music, because it just affects. It's not the apt music and suitable music, but there's various restaurants still open here. Everything in the mall, the largest Dubai mall, the largest mall in the world, has closed at 10 p.m. It's now 11 p.m., so I missed that one. Because we were stuck having some therapy, me and Sheikh Khan in Data. Right, okay, look at this. There you are. Right to the top, I'm getting dizzy. Come back down. And that is breathtaking. Still on that lake. It's just all water. Salam.